Hey! Well, this sucks. YouTube. Yeah, what's it right there? Yeah. Alright, YouTube. Well, we came back. My voice cracked. Came back with a lot of hail. A lot. I got hit in the mouth on the bus. That really hurt, YouTube. This sucks. Socks all wet. My pants are all wet.
I'm proud of your pants.
Fuck, man, this sucks.
No.
My papa, right here.
No.
He's drying them. This is my
At my
papa.
friend's house. Why?
What's your name?
I know.
Who is
that's
that?
what I said. Because we went to
Who's that?
Yeah.
Huh?
No one. YouTube.
Who are you sending that picture to?
YouTube.
I don't want to be on
You just
YouTube.
gotta say your name. You're on it already. Hey. Deuces. Dang. Crazy, man. Thank God I have shorts underneath my pants. Jordan shirt. Jordan socks. Pants are in the washer right now, but this crap sucks. Here's the front. Ain't no Sunday now. There's David. You've seen him in all my other videos, my grandparents' house. He lives right next door.
Do you keep just putting the video on?
Yep, crazy, man. Crazy. Just crazy. Say hi, YouTube. You remember him. Well, get ready to go.